My name is Helen and Hudson. My family owns Burnbrae Farms and has since 1891 when my great-grandparents purchased our farm in Lynn, Ontario. Our egg business is now nationwide. We produce, grade, process, and sell eggs and egg products. I personally went to the University of Guelph and graduated in 1983. I got my PhD from the University of Georgia in poultry science in 1992. I have worked in at the farm in my family business for about 15 years, but I also worked there as a teenager. Currently, I work in corporate social responsibility, and I have worked on building this platform for about the past 10 years. In particular, I'm very passionate about the environment. This is a great question. We have lots of challenges. The top three would be human resources. We need people to work in our industry in almost every facet. The second one, which is a really big one, is gut health, which includes feed and water quality. We want to encourage the good gut bacteria and discourage E. coli, Salmonella, coccidiosis. And of course, this all ties into feed additives and bird health. Housing is the third one in our transition in the egg industry away from conventional housing. Our industry is facing a lot of challenges from re-emerging diseases such as E. coli and also other, health challenges and behavioral issues as well. We need new technologies, research, and innovation to solve these new, which are somewhat old problems. We definitely need more tools in our toolkit. As an industry, we attend industry conferences and exhibitions. We also attend scientific conferences. At Burnbrae, we run in-house trials to test new ideas sometimes and to test technologies. And we also liaise and partner with the universities. Well, in our industry, we've been fortunate to profit from scientific and technological advances. Housing systems have seen the biggest challenges in the past few decades. It's been the biggest change on our farm. The transition to aviaries away from conventional housing has brought a new suite of challenges and opportunities to our business in many ways. So an additional technology at Burnbrae Farms that we've implemented in the past 3 years is the use of green energy technologies on our farm. So we have a farm near Woodstock, Ontario, where we've put solar panels on the roofs of the barns, and the barns are run by solar electricity and solar generated electricity. So there's enough power to run those barns and some other barns that we own also to run part of their power. And those barns are run by green electricity, which we were really excited to be able to implement that technology. We do need more research on all of the challenges that I mentioned above. We need innovations that would reduce the need for human capacity in all facets of our business. That would be very helpful. We as well need the health and behavior issues to be addressed. For researchers, getting to know people in the industry by attending industry conferences and working with industry partners in research collaborations and doing field research is a great way to get your particular brand of research out there and what you're doing. More recently, because of the pandemic, we found that webinars and other online sessions are working really well to bring industry and academia together to share info and ideas. Farming is very traditional, and it is kind of hard to change. The average age of farmers is over 55, which makes, bringing in new technologies a little bit difficult, but this is starting to change. Research also takes a long time from conception to adoption. That is really true, and you just have to be patient. So my advice would be to take some time to get some industry experience. So if you've never worked on a farm, the experience of learning how they operate will inform your academic work. Also, doing a lot of listening to more established researchers, industry leaders, and other relevant individuals can really, really help.